Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. My name is Andi Landari, and I'm from Management A with the student ID 2241042. Today, I'm going to talk about ownership structured in companies, which is an essential aspect of corporate governance and management. The ownership structure determines who controls the company, how decisions are made, and how profits are distributed. It significantly influences a company's strategy, operation, and even its long-term survival. Whether a company is publicly listed, privately owned, or employee controlled, the structure defines the power dynamics within the organization and shape its future. Through today's presentation, we will explore the different types of ownership structure, how they affect corporate governance, and the advantage and disadvantage of each. By the end, I hope you will have a clearer understanding of how ownership impact decision making, strategy, and corporate success. Let's dive in. Introduction to ownership structure in companies. The ownership structure of a company refers to how ownership is distributed among its stakeholders, which includes shareholders, investors, and other entities. It significantly affects the decision-making process, corporate governance, financial performance, and even the company strategy. Understanding ownership structure is essential for assessing how decisions are made, how profits are shared, and how the company responds to external pressures. Key aspect of ownership structure. One is who owns the company. Second is how control is exercised. Three is in the influence of different ownership groups and business strategy. Next is types of ownership structures. There are several types of ownership structures, and each has a unique impact on how the company operates and its governance. 1. Publicly held ownership. One is a ownership shares are listed on a stock exchange, and ownership is distributed among a large number of public shareholders. Two is control. The shareholder elect a board of directors who make a key decision. Three example companies like Apple, Tesla, and Google. Two is privately held ownership. A ownership, the company is owned by a small group of private investors, often including founders, management, or family members. True control is owner have a more direct control over business decisions, and they are favor shareholders. Example is company like IKEA or Cargill. Three is family owned ownership. Ownership controlled and owned by a single family, sometimes across multiple generations. Control family members maintain significant decision-making power, especially in small to medium-sized companies. Example companies is like Walmart before public listing or Ford. For employees own a significant portion of the company's shares, often through an employee stock ownership plan. Employees may have a voting right or influence on decision. Example is companies like Public Supermarket or the Cheesecake Factory. And thank you. To wrap up is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.